Hi, I'm Lee from Access Unlimited, and today we're going to show you an easy transfer for a 2012 to 2019 Volkswagen Golf.
The Easy Transfer is a custom-fitted transfer system tailored to your vehicle to ensure flat and stable platform for lateral transfers. A strip of grip tape is applied to the door sill to ensure no movement occurs while the seat is deployed and in use. The Easy Transfer installs directly into the OEM bolts of your seat and requires no permanent modification to your vehicle. The seat and bracket of the Easy Transfer are also easily removable to allow access to those who may not require the seat. Reinstalling the seat is as simple as inserting the metal tabs into the groove of the bracket and sliding down.
Thank you for watching our video today on the easy transfer for the Volkswagen Golf. If you'd like to see more, please check the description below. Thank you and have a nice day.